Today you will learn a conversation on how to make a restaurant reservation in English. We will listen to a typical conversation and then discuss some of the words and phrases that might not be familiar to you. At the end, I'll show you a way that you can practice this conversation so that your English can improve. I'm your teacher, Chris. Let's get started. This is Paula. She's going to call the restaurant to make a reservation. A reservation is like an appointment to have a meal at a restaurant. This is Monica. She is the hostess. The hostess takes reservations, greets guests, and shows guests to their table. If the person is a man, then he is called a host. All right, let's listen to this conversation. Good evening. Thank you for calling Baxter's Restaurant. This is Monica. How may I assist you today? Hi, I'd like to make a dinner reservation for this Saturday. Of course. How many people will be in your party? It'll be a party of 4. Great. And what time would you like to make the reservation for? We'd like to come in around 7 o'clock. Let me check our availability for you. One moment, please. Yes, we do have a table available for 4 at 7 p.m. this Saturday. Would you like to confirm this reservation? Yes, please. May I have your name, please? Sure, it's Paula Arnau. Thank you. And may I have a contact number for the reservation? Yes, it's 603-555-1212. Thank you. Do you have any special requests or dietary restrictions we should be aware of? No, just a table in a quiet area if possible. We'll do our best to accommodate that. Your reservation is confirmed for 4 people at 7 o'clock p.m. this Saturday. If you need to make any changes or if there's anything else we can assist you with, please don't hesitate to call us. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Have a great evening. You too. Goodbye. Okay, let's take a look at some of the words and phrases used in this conversation. When the hostess said, "How many people will be in your party?" she meant how many people will be in your group. The party is your group. When she said, "Let me check our availability for you," what she meant is, I need to see if we have a table for 4 people at 7 o'clock. Sometimes they may not have a table for you at that time and offer you a table at a different time. When the hostess asked, "Would you like to confirm this reservation?" this was a way of asking, do you want us to reserve this table for you? Okay, take a look at this. I changed this slightly. So now when she's asked her name, she says, sure, it's Paula Arnau, A-R-N-O-W. You may need to spell your name for the hostess, so just be prepared for that. The hostess asked, do you have any special requests or dietary restrictions we should be aware of? Restaurants want to know if there's any type of food that you can't have, if you have a food allergy, if you have gluten intolerance or lactose intolerance. They want you to have a good experience at that restaurant, and they will make sure that you don't get food you cannot eat. And the woman responded, no, just a table in a quiet area if possible. So there were no food restrictions, but the woman wants to be seated in a certain area. And the hostess said, we'll do our best to accommodate that. That means we will try, but we can't make you any promises. And finally, the hostess says, if you need to make any changes or if there's anything else we can assist you with, please don't hesitate to call us. It's considered polite to let the restaurant know if you will not be coming or if you're going to come late or if the number of people changes. There's a link to a PDF of the script in the description. If you want to practice this, you can watch the video again and practice being the person calling to reserve a table. Practice your lines with Paula as she says them. And what about you? What conversations do you struggle with? Tell me about it in the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.